right, so we're on our way to a rental house I have in Chandler. We have a couple iBuyers making offers on it, and we're going to go and meet Zillow to do an inspection. We got an offer from OfferPad, an offer from Open Door, and an offer from Zillow. Just testing out the process, see how they do everything. We're getting at the high point of the market here in Phoenix. It's probably a very good time to sell. I've had this rental for a few years, but I want to give you a little heads up on how I got this rental. Got contacted by a landlord that had this property. The tenants trashed it. I mean, it was in disgusting condition. But the seller's very savvy. He did not want to take a low price on it. He was very, very much stuck on his price. So what we did is we did a seller financing deal. He actually owed about $30,000 on the property. So I made an offer with a small down payment of $5,000, did a seller carryback. He actually came into closing with way more money than I did. I came into closing with $5,000. He came into closing with $30,000. So what's interesting on this deal is I did a seller carryback with the seller. After you include the home warranty that I have on the property, I probably cash flow about $300 a month. So tenants have been there. The same tenant last couple of years, been great. Pay on time. I think they've been late twice and paid the late fee when they were late. They're looking to move here in just a few weeks. So I'm going to be selling the property. It's in as-is condition. I never really did much to it. I did paint the house, paint it inside and outside, put some new flooring in it at the time, but it was all kind of like rental grade. So I do know that it needs a renovation and a rehab. So I'm just going to see what I can walk away with. The goal here is to profit, $30,000 or above for holding on to the property that I never used a single dollar of my own money on. So hopefully that works out. Just to kind of let you know how I constructed the deal. I did a seller carryback deal for $180,000. I had to do a rehab on the property, so I had a second loan and did the rehab to fix it up because we had broken windows. The garage door never worked. We had to put a new garage door in, a new garage door opener. There's a lot of things that we had to do to it just to get the property rent ready. So I was into the property for about $200,000. Retail fixed up, it's about $250,000, $260,000. As is condition, it's probably worth around $230,000. So we're hoping to make a quick $30,000 and profit and be out, and maybe squeeze a little bit more out of that and see what I can do. But the key is the seller financing. You can get rental properties with $0 out of your pocket and get money coming in every single month for cash flow. But also be smart, ride the waves. Don't just, don't think that you should buy at the high and sell at the low. The key is try to ride the wave. If you got equity, cash out and buy it again. Buy something cheaper. Or if you really just are happy with it, then just keep cash flowing on it. I'm even considering refinancing the property and keeping it. So I can go a couple different ways on the property. I have plenty of options. I have plenty of equity. So remember to always use the seller financing as another tool in your tool belt. So I hope that helps you guys.